Good Sunday morning. I am hungover. Whew. Oh, TMI. I would have started this yesterday, except my Kashmiri chili, I thought it hadn't arrived from Amazon, but it was in the mailbox. By the time I found out that was delivered, I was pretty drunk. We have to make chicken tikka masala meatballs. Coriander, turmeric, Kashmiri pepper, panko breadcrumbs, and we've got our ground chicken. Oh, ginger and garlic. Oh, that's better. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. These are perishable. Hang on a minute. Perishable? There's no room in here. And this special guy, this is supposed to be not as hot as red pepper, but more colorful and mild flavor. We'll have to find out. I have never used this. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Tikka Masala meatballs. You gotta try it. Chicken meatball. Get a little sauce in there. Let's take a bite of the chicken meatball. Oh, it's tender. That's delicious. I have to put some sauce on the rice. Let's eat this. I love tikka masala. I often make it just with celery. I just put some celery and some tikka masala sauce, put it on rice. How simple is that? Let's get a piece of rice and chicken. They're falling apart in the mouth, tender. I need to put some sauce on the rice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Let's see. Well, you know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.